Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm so excited to share some insights on a natural remedy that has been cherished for centuries, apple cider vinegar. We're going to explore 10 surprising benefits of this versatile liquid. From ancient civilizations to modern wellness enthusiasts, apple cider vinegar has been recognized for its potential to improve various aspects of our health. Let's dive in and discover the incredible benefits of apple cider vinegar together. Let's start with one of the most well-known benefits of apple cider vinegar, its positive impact on digestion. This amazing liquid contains acetic acid, a natural compound that helps stimulate the production of stomach acid. Stomach acid plays a vital role in breaking down food, and when our bodies don't produce enough, we can experience indigestion and bloating. Apple cider vinegar also promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria in our gut. These friendly bacteria are essential for nutrient absorption, immune function, and overall gut health. So, if you're looking for a natural way to support your digestive system, consider incorporating apple cider vinegar into your routine. Apple cider vinegar can be a valuable ally in managing blood sugar levels. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, a crucial factor in regulating blood sugar. Insulin is like a key that unlocks our cells, allowing glucose from our bloodstream to enter and provide energy. Studies have demonstrated that consuming apple cider vinegar, particularly before meals, can enhance insulin sensitivity. This means that our cells become more efficient at utilizing glucose, resulting in better blood sugar control. However, when incorporated into a well-rounded approach to managing blood sugar, it can be a beneficial addition. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider to determine the appropriate dosage and usage for your individual needs. Let's delve into the potential role of apple cider vinegar in weight management. One way apple cider vinegar may contribute to weight management is by promoting a feeling of fullness. When consumed before a meal, it can help you feel more satisfied, potentially leading to a reduction in calorie intake. This effect is thought to be due to the vinegar's ability to slow down gastric emptying, which means food stays in your stomach for longer. Additionally, some studies suggest that apple cider vinegar may help boost metabolism. While more research is needed to fully understand the link between apple cider vinegar and weight management, the initial findings are promising. Remember, sustainable weight loss is best achieved through a combination of a balanced diet, regular exercise, and healthy habits. The antimicrobial powerhouse, fighting back with apple cider vinegar. Did you know that apple cider vinegar possesses potent antimicrobial properties? For centuries, it has been used as a natural remedy to combat infections. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar acts as a powerful antimicrobial agent, effectively inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria and fungi. For instance, apple cider vinegar has been traditionally used to soothe sore throats, alleviate skin irritations, and even treat nail fungus. Its antimicrobial properties make it a versatile natural remedy for a range of ailments. Moreover, apple cider vinegar can be used as a natural cleaning agent in your home. Heart Health Hero Apple Cider Vinegar for a Happy Heart. Studies have shown that regular consumption of apple cider vinegar may help lower cholesterol levels. Cholesterol is a fatty substance that can build up in our arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease. By reducing cholesterol levels, apple cider vinegar may contribute to a healthier cardiovascular profile. In addition to its cholesterol-lowering effects, apple cider vinegar has also been linked to lower triglyceride levels. While more research is needed to fully understand the long-term effects of apple cider vinegar on heart health, the initial findings are encouraging. As always, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. Radiant Skin Apple Cider Vinegar's Beauty Secret. Ready to uncover the beauty secrets of apple cider vinegar? This versatile liquid isn't just beneficial for our internal health, it can also work wonders for our skin. Apple cider vinegar possesses natural astringent properties, making it an effective treatment for acne. Its acidic nature helps balance the skin's pH, reducing excess oil production and unclogging pores. Apple cider vinegar can also be used to soothe sunburns. From treating acne to calming sunburns, apple cider vinegar is a natural and affordable way to enhance your skincare routine. Now let's explore the potential detoxification benefits of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is believed to support the body's natural detoxification processes by promoting liver health. The liver plays a crucial role in filtering toxins from our blood and eliminating them from our bodies. Additionally, apple cider vinegar is a good source of antioxidants, which help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. While more research is needed to fully understand the detoxification properties of apple cider vinegar, its potential to support liver health and provide antioxidant protection makes it a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. Let's move on to the surprising benefits of apple cider vinegar for healthy hair. One of the key benefits of apple cider vinegar for hair is its ability to balance the scalp's pH. Apple cider vinegar's acidic nature helps restore the scalp's pH balance, creating an environment that is less favorable for the growth of Malassezia globosa, a yeast-like fungus that can contribute to dandruff. By balancing the scalp's pH and reducing dandruff, apple cider vinegar can promote a healthier scalp and hair. Moreover, apple cider vinegar can add shine to your hair. Let's explore the potential anti-inflammatory properties of apple cider vinegar. Chronic inflammation can contribute to a range of health problems, including heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer. Apple cider vinegar contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Some studies suggest that apple cider vinegar may be particularly beneficial for people with arthritis, a condition characterized by joint inflammation. While more research is needed to fully understand the anti-inflammatory effects of apple cider vinegar in humans, the initial findings are promising. If you're looking for natural ways to manage inflammation, incorporating apple cider vinegar into your diet may be worth considering. Finally, let's discuss how apple cider vinegar can support a healthy immune system. Our immune system is our body's natural defense system, protecting us from harmful invaders like bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. Apple cider vinegar's antimicrobial properties, as we discussed earlier, play a role in supporting immune function. By inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria and viruses, apple cider vinegar can help reduce the risk of infection. Additionally, apple cider vinegar is a good source of antioxidants, which help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into your diet is a simple yet effective way to provide your immune system with an extra boost. Thanks for joining me on unlocking the benefits of apple cider vinegar. From improving digestion to boosting your immune system, this natural remedy has a lot to offer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health tips and natural remedies. Share this video with your friends and family so they can also discover the amazing benefits of apple cider vinegar. See you next time.